This timeless English cottage with a rich history and superior craftsmanship is located in the highly sought-after Alameda Ridge neighborhood. It's centrally located near Grant Park, the Alameda Stairs, has easy access to downtown Portland, and is close to the vibrant Beaumont Village. Built in 1939 and meticulously maintained, this home of nearly 5,000 square feet exudes classic character and charm throughout. Step into the spacious living room, featuring oak floors with decorative inlays and a wood-burning fireplace. It opens to the inviting sunroom with walls of windows showcasing views of downtown Portland and the West Hills. From the wood deck and grapevine-covered patio, take in amazing sunsets. Entertain in the formal dining room. Framed with a sparkling chandelier, it also provides spectacular views. The delightful kitchen features plenty of storage, a Jenn-Air gas range with grill, double ovens, and even a dumbwaiter. A breakfast room offers a perfect place to sip your morning coffee. The sweeping staircase and soaring wood-lined ceilings with beams add to the masterfully crafted interior. Upstairs, you can unwind in the grand primary bedroom with a cozy gas fireplace. Then wake up to amazing views. It's complete with a dressing room and a shared full bath with a soaking tub and shower. You'll find 2 additional generous bedrooms with parquet wood flooring on this level. The stairs take you to the unfinished attic space, which could add approximately 500 square feet to your already significant living space. The expansive lower level includes a 4th bedroom and a full bathroom with a shower. Entertain the night away in the large party room with a built-in bar, fireplace, and exterior door. Enjoy the sauna and the wine room with racks for more than 50 cases, plus a roomy laundry room. From the wood-paneled garage lined with virgin pine to the original tile, door hardware, and solid core doors, no detail is overlooked. A part of the historic resource inventory in the city of Portland, it's a true treasure and offers a rare opportunity to enjoy the best in Northwest living on Alameda Ridge. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.